try to take care of everyone before I took care of myself. I've been winning for a minute, my trophies is color getting dust on the shelf. Hey, when you look in the mirror.
Now this joint is lit, bro. Alright guys, look. Alright, so I'm back. Another vlog. Continuation of my last vlog. Got my man Chris in the back.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's cold as fuck. So, like I said, we're trying to put on my back wing, I guess. So this is how it looks now. So top, bottom. It still looks sporty though. I fuck with it. It's not even lowered either. But I got two wings. So one's gonna be right here, and then one's gonna be at the top right here. And they're over here. Came in a box from China. But so I got one right here, and then another up there. If this joint would do it. Yeah. Shit doing stupid shit. Oh yeah, and the other one's right here. So we about to wipe them down and then heat up the 3M, and we're going to try to put them on. I'm not sure how this is going to go, but if it goes well, my car should look a little bit more aggressive. And then I ordered a front splitter. That shit never got sent out, so I got my money back. So I gotta find a new one. I think I want to do Maxon Design, and that shit's like $350, but I think that shit gotta come from like Europe, so that might take like a month. And I want to do carbon fiber mirror caps, but we'll see, one thing at a time. But in the meantime, I'm about to clean this shit down. I'll see you in the next step. Right now we trying to find fitment. I gotta check the damn app because I don't remember how this shit looked on the app or on the car. Let me see. Alright, so this is how it's supposed to look. You can see that. Right now we're just testing the bottom.
Yeah.
So this is how, it's not on or nothing, but that's how we thinking it's gonna look. What we gonna see. I'll be in the process of doing the bottom wing. Just hit it with an alcohol wipe.
Yeah, this is good.
Alright, then we gotta do the 3M.
So I would say, you still got the alcohol effect?
I do. I got another one.
No, don't use the other one.
We want the first one?
Yeah, because I just need you to wipe this part, that's all.
Yeah. I got the inside of it.
And it don't gotta be super duper.
Oh, that shit dried up, bro. It's cool.
It's super dry?
It's not super dry, but it's moist.
Yeah, I'm gonna say this. All you gotta do is just wipe, shadow wipe it. That's what you can. If it's like not working though, more so just to get the big shit off.
Nah, you facts. Facts. It did a little song. Yeah, that shit did a little song. Alright, we cool.
Okay.
Got you. Alright. Let's see how this jump about to go. Nah, facts, bro. Yeah.
So, try to aim this out.
You right. Right. You want to be on the corner?
It's up to you.
You're right here.
Right there?
Yeah, cool.
Right here?
Yeah. Perfect. There you go.
Just let me warm it up again.
Yeah, nah, that's perfect placement.
That's what I said. I was like, you might just got that shit right on the money.
Shit, perfect placement. Yeah. I feel like this side down. I feel like that side up a little bit at the top.
It is.
Right here. Like a little gap. No?
No, I think, I don't know. It's like,
Oh, because it's
yeah,
chip.
I think it's more for the chip.
Yeah.
But if the chip wasn't there, that should have been right on the money.
Nah, facts. You right.
But I just don't see the joint, bro, so I don't know.
I don't know either. That shit look way low, a little better already.
Yeah, that's not moving, bro.
Are we good then? Alright, we got the second one for the top going down. Part of me wish I would have got a Hellcat, only like for content, but like,
yeah, bro. But I'm just glad I didn't go that route. Like
yeah, I want to be different, like,
yeah, bro.
And I knew I didn't want that for real.
I'm away.
As you can see, my check engine light on, and there's a tow truck. So yeah, realistically, I don't know if there's nothing crazy wrong. My check engine light is saying that something wrong with my car for emissions or something like that. It literally says, I'll throw it in here. I forget, it says something emission related. But I honestly think I put the wrong gas in there, or